Hello dear children, welcome back to my talks. And yes, this is for standard 10th science. Okay, the last video which I have given for you was deleted portion. I think related to biology only I gave, and I got quite many comments in that particular video, okay, related to complete science. So I've got this video for you which will deal with section wise weightage, okay, for each section. That is going to cover complete science. I will also talk about the complete portion, the complete chapters, the complete units which are going to come for the boards, okay, and I'll again talk about the deleted portion so that whatever confusion you have, that can be erased. Children, I would like to tell you that whatever has been given by board, I'm just conveying that to you. So it's nothing that I have made any chapters or I have done any units. It is that you know that these chapters are there for you, and the other chapters, whatever I will put over there, that is deleted. Yes, do subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay, which I've been telling you always, okay. Do support and like, share and comment. So let me start the video. So today it is science syllabus as it is mentioned, and this is only for 2021. This will not go for all the years. This is only for this year. Due to the pandemic, the board has decided, as you all know, okay. So section wise weightage. Now in section wise weightage, okay, the first unit is there. First unit, chemical substances, and from that unit you will have 26 marks ka questions, okay. On the whole, 26 marks questions will be there from first unit. Second unit, world of living, and 23 marks questions will be there. So you can understand, children, based on that these units, these chapters are really very important, and at any cost you cannot miss them. You should be doing this in great detail. Then comes the third one, natural phenomena, okay, 12 marks. And here, effects of current, that is the fourth unit, you have 14 marks. Natural resources, 5 marks. Okay, so finally it comes to 80, and you know very well that the question paper will be out of 80. So 26, 23, 12, 14 and 5. Okay, comes to 80, and 20 marks is for internal assessment. And finally the grand total comes to 100. So this internal assessment will be sent by the school, okay, based upon the periodic test, based upon the projects, okay, whatever is done in certain schools, whatever the schools do, based upon that you are assessed, and 20 marks assessment, internal assessment by the school. So 80 plus 20 comes to 100. So this is what is the section wise weightage, and now you can just go through it. I'll talk about the syllabus, and then again along with this I'll talk about the deleted portion also, okay. Keep watching. So yes children, this is the syllabus which I was talking about, okay. So unit 1, the very first chapter, you can say chemical substances, okay, nature and behavior, and over there we have chemical reactions. In chemical reactions, now here in this particular video, I'm going to tell you each and every topic which you will have to study in the particular chapters, okay, in the particular units. So please pay lots of attention to it. See the videos as many times whenever you are studying, and do share with all your friends, with anybody, your relatives, anybody who is going to answer standard 10th this year in any school, CBSE board, okay. So it will be help for everybody. So go through it. Now chemical reactions, chemical equations that you have to do, okay. Chemical equations, that is must. Let me take another color pen so that it will be useful, okay. So that is what chemical equations, okay, that is must. Then comes balanced chemical equation, okay. This is also to be done, balancing of chemical equations. Implications of implications of balanced chemical equation, okay, that is also to be covered, that you cannot leave. Types of chemical reactions, in that types of chemical reactions you have the different types, you can just see it Okay, so the different types of chemical reactions, that comes combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. Okay, you can open your science book and put ticks over there. And then comes precipitation, you can always see neutralization, oxidation and reduction. So that comes in chemical reactions. Okay, the next one is acid, bases and salts. In acid, bases and salts, okay, their definition means definition of acids, bases and salts. इनका definition in terms of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions, OH ions. तो इनके terms में आपको definition करना होगा acid, bases और salts का. Okay, their properties, general properties of acid, bases, salts, examples and uses, all that has to be done. Then concept of pH scale. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration, ये pH scale का concept करना होगा. Importance of pH in everyday life, preparation and uses of sodium hydroxide. Yes, how we prepare and what is the use. Preparation of sodium hydroxide, then bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. Okay, so that is all you have to do in acid, bases and salts. Then we come to metals and non-metals. Here we'll do properties. Okay, properties means properties of metals and properties of non-metals, reactivity series and formation and properties of ionic compounds. You can just see it once. Okay, and this is what you have to do up till this chemical reactions, acid, bases and salts and metals and non. What? So yes children, we are still continuing with unit 1. So now we come to carbon compounds. So carbon compounds में you have to do these bonds, covalent bonding in carbon compounds and versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature of carbon, its ability to form compounds with other elements. Okay, so versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. So this all we have to do in carbon compounds. Then comes periodic classification of elements, and in that need for classification, yes, this has to be done. Why is classification importance? Okay, early attempts of classification of elements और ये अलग अलग लोगों ने classification की कोशिश की, तो वो सारे हमको करना होगा. Dobinet's triads, this we have to do. Okay, Newland's law of octave, that is also to be done, and Mendelev's the final periodic table, this is also to be done. And modern periodic table is the one accepted one, तो ये modern periodic table भी करना है. तो ये सारे Dobinet's triads, Newland's law of octaves, Mendelev's periodic table and modern periodic table. उसके बाद gradation in properties left to right जा रहे हैं तो क्या increase हो रहा है, group में जा रहे हैं तो atomic size, atomic radius, all that, the properties, how it increases, how it decreases when we go in group, when we grow in periods. तो पूरे properties, valency of the elements, that also, how to find out valency structure, वो सारा, atomic number, okay, metallic and non-metallic properties. तो ये सारे कुछ we have to finish off in unit 1. So this actually I'm dealing with in detail so that it becomes easier for you to understand, to prepare for your boards, okay, and so that you can score much better during your. Yeah children, so this is unit 2, world of living, okay, biology, and here you can see life process. So in life process, living beings, we'll talk about, as life process comes, we talk about living organisms, plants and animals both. So here it comes living beings, okay, living beings, we are talking about living organisms and the processes, the metabolic functions, okay, that is nutrition, respiration, transport and excretion in plants and animals. Everything, all the life process we have to do over there. Then we come to reproduction, and reproduction in animals and plants, that also, okay, asexual and sexual reproduction, health needs, okay, health needs and methods of family planning, okay, as it is given in your textbook, we have done. If you know, and the other school children, your teachers must have taught you, otherwise you have to go and look for the videos. Okay, then safe sex versus HIV and AIDS, how you can protect yourself, okay, from HIV and AIDS during sex. And then childbearing, okay, how a child is born, how the mother bears it, and then the women's health, what all must be done to take care of the lady who is carrying the child. So this all in reproduction. And then we come to heredity, and in heredity comes Mendel's contribution, Okay, Mendel's law of dominance, law of independent assortment, all that you must have completed. So Mendel's contribution. Then laws for inheritance, all the laws which he has given. Okay, laws of inheritance of traits, and then comes finally sex determination. So here you have been asking me many times variation. In variation, just a little introduction is there, otherwise variation is cut off. It is deleted for this year. So you can just go through it. Okay. And do not be confused, children. These are the topics which you have to do, and the others you can leave off. Go Unit 3, that is natural phenomena, and physics portion. Yes, so natural phenomena, reflection of light. We have reflection of light by curved surfaces. So this is reflection of light by curved surfaces. Okay, so that you have to do. Images formed by spherical mirrors. Okay, there are images when the object is at which places the objects are placed, and what sort of image, real, inverted, and where it is formed. Okay, all that formed by spherical mirrors. Center of curvature, principal axis, definitions, everything you should know. Principal axis, principal focus, focal length, and mirror formula. Yes, mirror formula is required, but derivation, okay, derivation, how you come to that particular formula, that is not required. So important point to note, derivation of mirror formula, even derivation of lens formula, mirror formula padna hai, aapko karna hai, but derivation is not there. Then magnification, okay, magnification, that formula is there, that is there. Then finally this was reflection of light. Then we come to refraction. So refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, okay, refraction of light by spherical lens, okay, image formed by spherical lenses, lens formula. Again, no derivation, okay, magnification and power of lens. All these topics you have to. Then finally we come to this refraction of light through a prism. So this is prism, this was lens and mirror. Then comes dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life. So this is all you have to do in unit 3. So children, pay attention, cover these topics, don't leave these topics at end. This is unit 4, effects of current. Okay, and in effects of current, which all topics you have to do? Electric current, potential difference and electric current. Okay, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, physics, this is physics chapter from physics. Okay, resistivity, factors which the resistance of a conductor depends. Okay, series combination of resistors, that you can see, children. Okay, here it comes, series combination of resistors, parallel combination, series and parallel both is there, combination of resistors and its application in daily life. Heating effect of electric current and its applications in daily life, electric power and interrelationship between P, V, I and R. Okay, this is there. Then we come to magnetic effect of current, and in magnetic effect of current you can see it for yourself. Magnetic field, okay, field lines, then yes, field due to current carrying coil or solenoid, Fleming's left hand rule, okay, electric motor, electromagnetic induction, then induced potential difference. Now this is potential difference, okay, induced current and Fleming's right hand rule. So all that is there, okay, and you must cover all these topics. Okay, so hello dear children. So till now you must be seeing up till unit 4 we have already covered. This is unit 5. Okay, and we come to another topic from biology, that is natural resources. Natural resources, environment we've already done. Okay, so which are topics to be done from environment? Ecosystem, environmental problems, ozone depletion, waste production and their solution, and biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. So these are the topics to be covered. I'll just move away so that you can see it for yourself. Okay, and the very last one, which is management. Okay, management of natural resources. Now that chapter, children, that is deleted. Deleted in the sense, I can tell you that it will not be asked for the boards. No question in the boards will be from management of natural resources. Okay, but then what you have to do is for the assessment, for the school assessment, for the periodic tests, for your projects, it can be given. Okay, topics from management of natural resources can be asked, okay, for your periodic test, and that can be in the terms of projects and all. Okay, but then it will not be included for your boards. Okay, hope it's very clear. And your deleted portion, yes, I have already done deleted portion, but I have only done deleted portion in biology. So you need deleted portion in complete science. So you go through this. Okay, I have done this weightage, and the portion which are there for the boards, okay, for your standard 10 science. So you go through this, and very soon again I'll be uploading a video on deleted portion in science. Okay, bio I have already done, science I'll be doing it very soon. So keep watching. Okay, and yes, for all those who have not subscribed, as I always keep telling you children, I do keep seeing that whatever are your problems, you can come to me and you can always put a comment in the comment section, okay, that what you want and how I can help you. I'm always there for you, okay, and I'll come up with a video and which will be useful for you. Yes, do watch the motivational topics, because you must be very tense. Your exams are going to start from 4th of May. Yes, quite a long duration. In between you do need to be motivated. I am posting motivational topics also, so do keep watching it. And for all those who have not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, okay, and like, share and put your comments. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.